Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. Today is day 3 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. Thank you so much for joining me today. Our mantra for today is going to be, I am courageous. You are courageous. Roll out your mat, grab some water, and let's get it. Okay everyone, so we'll begin on our backs today. So once you get there, plant the soles of the feet in the ground, close to your bum, about hip-width distance apart, and we'll start doing some bridges. So we'll just inhale, lift the hips up towards the sky, warming up the spine. Exhale, lower the back down, vertebrae by vertebrae, all the way to the mat. Imagine that you have a block in between your knees, or you can actually put a block in between your knees here. We'll inhale, lift up again. Exhale, lower down. And we'll just move like this 10 times. So inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down. 1, 2, 5 more. 2 more. Last one. This time let's hold here. If you want, you can shimmy your hands underneath you and clasp them together. You should definitely feel this in your glutes. Five more breaths. Exhale, slowly lower down. And from here, let's rock up and down, coming into hands and knees, all fours. And we'll do some leg extensions, but first let's just do a couple cat-cows, warming up the spine. So planting the hands underneath the shoulders, fingers spread wide, pushing into the tops of the feet as well as the palms of the hands into the mat, stacking the hips over the knees. We'll inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine. Moving with your breath. Let's do one more. From here, come back to all fours. We'll start with some leg extensions. So pushing into the hands as well as the left foot into the mat. We'll inhale, extend our right leg out long, trying to keep the hips square here. We'll take an inhale, exhale, draw the knee to nose. Inhale, extend, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend. 2 more times. Perfect. Lower the right knee down, take it out to the other side. Inhale, extend the left leg out long. Exhale, draw it in. Inhale, extend. Exhale, draw it in. Moving with your breath. So one more, just for fun. Come back. From here, we'll make our way into a downward facing dog. Pedaling out your feet here, waking up the hamstrings. And from here, we're going to move into plank, back to downward facing dog 10 times. So let's take an inhale here. Exhale, move to plank. Inhale, back to down dog. It's 1. Exhale to plank. Inhale, down dog. 2. 8 more. 5 more. 1. Now let's all come into plank and we'll stay here for about 30 seconds. Building lots of strength in the arms. So today we're doing quite a bit of isometric style exercises, keeping the muscles contracted, building a lot of strength. "15 more seconds, we got this. If you have to, you can lower onto your knees. Five seconds. Exhale, slowly lower, come onto your stomach. And from here we'll do 3 rounds of Cobra. So we'll start with baby Cobra, bringing the hands underneath the shoulders, feet are together, elbows hugging into the body. We'll inhale, lift the chest up, pushing into the palms. Holding here for 3 more breaths. Exhale, lower down. We'll move into our second round, so bringing our feet about hip width distance, lowering our hands a little bit more down our body in line with our chest, our upper ribs. Again, elbows hug into the body. We'll inhale, lift up a little bit higher. Take 5 breaths here. So you should definitely feel this in your triceps. Great isometric exercise for the triceps. 2 more breaths. Exhale, lower down. And now we'll move into King Cobra. So taking our feet as wide as the mat, if not a little bit wider, and lowering the hands even more. You want to make sure that you keep your whole hand into the mat, so you don't want the heel of your hand lifting up. You want to make sure the whole hand is in the mat. Elbows hug in. Here we go. Inhale, lift up, King Cobra. Keeping the pubic bone into the mat. 5 breaths. Keeping the core engaged. 2 more breaths. Exhale, lower down. Let's make our way into a quick rest, coming into a child's pose. And then from here, let's come into an upward dog. Keeping the core engaged here, stretching out the muscles in the abdomen. Maybe looking over to one side and the other. From here, let's make our way into a plank, and right away we'll do 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Halfway. Five more seconds. Come back to downward facing dog. My arms are burning. From here, inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, bring the right knee to right elbow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the right foot forward, coming in to a high lunge. Oop. Keeping the core engaged, finding your foundation. Right knee over right ankle. Holding here for 5 breaths. Exhale, lower the hands down. Move through your flow. Come back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, bring the left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Keeping the core engaged. Inhale, come up into high lunge. Left knee over left ankle. Holding here for 5 breaths. You are courageous. You are courageous. Exhale, plant the hands, move through your flow. Come back to downward facing dog. Great work, everyone. So from here, we'll do some hand walkers. So walking our hands back to our feet, and then walking them back out to plank. So I'll do this 10 times, right? So let's start now. So that's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, halfway down, 5 more. 6. 7. 8, 2 more, we got this. 1 more. Great work, everyone. So from here, come into a downward facing dog. And we'll heel to toe, walk our feet up to the top of our mat. Taking a nice forward fold. When you're ready, we'll slowly rise up, stacking the spine. Chin is the last to lift. Going into mountain pose. So we're almost done, only 2 more exercises to go. So we'll do 3 rounds of sun salutations, the normal sun salutation. We won't do the HIIT salutations today. So we'll come to the top of our mat. Feet can be together or hip width distance, whatever you prefer. Inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath here. Inhale, come up on your tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your side, stay with me. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees. Look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing. I said 3, but let's do 2 more. We are courageous. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Let's get this. 2 more. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin. Elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. 1 more. We got this. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms. Step it back. Lower knees, chest, chin. Baby cobra. Downward facing dog. That wasn't so bad. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees. Look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Last exercise, everyone. We'll do 20 squats. No rest. Let's get it. Let's bump them out. Here we go. 10 more. Here we go. Three more. If you're feeling courageous, let's do 5 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job, everyone. Woo! Day 3 in the books. Whew, thank you so much for joining me today. Cannot wait to see you tomorrow. If you feel the need to, by all means, go into a Shavasana for as long as you like. With that being said, we'll bring our hands together at our heart. The light me honors and bows to the light and the courage in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.